Flexpool is opening up a Chia pool. How to join? Find out here. Alright, welcome everyone, Rabid here, and today we are looking at Flexpool introducing a Chia pool whenever the Chia network does allow pools. So if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, like button, bell notification, all the good stuff so you do get notified for future videos. So let's have a quick look here. If you are in my Discord, you will get most of these announcements already, but here we are. We're looking at the latest announcements. We are in Flexpool currently though, but Chris 2 did announce that at everyone, we are pleased to announce that Flexpool will be opening one of the first Chia farming pools. We'll be opening up email signups next weekend, but the pool itself will only be opened after the Chia developers release pool support. So they're starting their pool, but like you know, when you go to mining pool stats, there are a bunch of pools out there, but nothing is open yet except for one Chinese one somehow. That might be just a main Chia thing. I don't know. But anyway, they are not supported yet, but they will be soon. After we open a pool, we plan to greatly improve the current Chia farming client to increase speed, stability, and rewards. Please do not ask for updates. We will announce as necessary. So, say in the upcoming weekend, today is the 25th. So, starting May 28th is the Friday. So, at the earliest. But you may have to wait till May 29th, May 30th, depending when you've seen this video based on those dates. That is 2021. Then you can start your email signups if you choose to go with Flexpool itself. Now, how to prepare for flexChia pool? flexChia pool now instead of Flexpool. It will be noted as flexChia pool. And get your free Chia, step 1. So there's some free Chia here. You are going to need a little bit of Chia to join a pool the way it sounds. Anyway, the first step to prepare for our pool is to start farming Chia. There are many great guides around about what equipment is needed and how to farm Chia. That being said, we're sure many of you are still setting up. We'd strongly suggest everyone go obtain equipment now before hard drives and SSDs quadruple in cost, just the same way that GPUs did. Please do your own research. Buying equipment, as some SSDs are not recommended for plotting. We'll kind of talk about this a little bit. We'd suggest everyone join the Chia community on our Discord, the Chia Farmers Union Telegram, and the official Chia Coinbase. Or Keybase. Yes, you can do all that, or again, you can just join my Discord, and there's a lot of chat going on about Chia in my Discord alone. Along with that, we'd suggest everyone download the Chia client by installing the Chia blockchain, full node harvester, wallet implementation in Python at chia.net. In the client, you will have a wallet. Copy the receive address and enter it here. I'll have this link in the description. To receive some free Chia XCH, you will need one mojo, the smallest unit of Chia. So we use mojos here, so I don't know if this is a take out of Austin Powers or something, but you're going to need one mojo, which I guess is a Satoshi if you're related to like Bitcoin and everything. So everything less than one Chia, I guess they're calling a mojo. So the smallest unit of Chia to join a pool, so it is vital that you go and get some from the faucet. So I guess I'm going to have to do this because I'm going to need a little bit of Chia. They do say start farming it now, but I don't recommend farming Chia right now because you are going to have to go to, what is it called? You have to restart everything when you do move to the polls. Right now, everything is solo mining, and due to the fact that there's so many hard drives, China like literally bought up a lot. So like China is huge in the Chia right now. Keep that in mind. The network difficulty is massively growing very fast. And as more and more come online, like right now, I'm just going to do a test here with like 10 terabytes. But ultimately with 10 terabytes, it's going to take me like, I don't know, 6 to possibly 8 months to even have a chance to find a reward based on their calculators. So if pools come in place anywhere but before that, like 6 months from now, I ultimately would be missing out because I'm going to have to farm all that Chia. Those plots I got in my PC are on my hard drives and start over and move it all to the pool. With that being said, if you are unaware, SSDs, fast SSD drives, M2s are used for the plotting process. And ultimately, you're going to need the enterprise style. They are really expensive. And if you do not use the enterprise style, you ultimately will be blowing up SSDs really fast. Now, when it comes to the actual farming process, after you build your plots, you just move it over to a slower, cheaper, larger drive. And that's where the farming actually takes place. But you do got to build your plots on the faster SSD SSDs and M2 drives, and ultimately shortening the lifespan of those drives very fast. That is, for one, why I'm waiting until pools even come out. So with all that being said, I'm going to have to do this initial setup. I do not know which PC I'm actually going to use when the time comes to plot my Chia and everything. I am still waiting on my SSD. I do have the 10 terabyte hard drive, as you guys did see last week or something in some previous video. But I don't know what I'm going to use, so for the most part for my wallet, I guess I'll just have that all on my workstation here. I'll probably use one of my CPU mining rigs for the actual Chia plotting process and all that, because this computer will be used for making videos, editing, rendering, playing games. I got a gaming channel which is going to start getting busy here starting tomorrow, I believe. So I guess as you're watching this, starting today, so because there are new expansions coming out for Arc. But we are going to have to install the Chia blockchain like they said, so I guess I'm going to have to do that. So I did scroll down a little bit. Here's the initial Chia network blockchain deal here. So I'm going to go into Windows and just click on the link, and we're going to start downloading it, depending how big it is. And my internet is not the fastest, so it's not downloading too great. But I'm just going to scroll through here quick, see if there's anything we should check out in here. For the most part, it's installing on different type of OSs and way to run certain things. But yeah, so I'm just going to go with the Windows installer because it does seem the simplest. So there we go. Once that is done installing, we'll do a quick setup here and see what it looks like. We're all done downloading now, and I was just skimming through the Windows thing here, and it does say click more info, run anyway. Just like any other miner, T-Rex, Team Red miner, old school Claymore, before when you used to use it. When you install anything in Windows when it has to do with mining, it will come up as probably telling you it's a virus or something. So again, just don't worry about it. Here, yes, we're gonna run. Okay, load up. Let's go. Okay, we're just gonna have to wait a second because the little spinny wheel is taking its sweet time. So we're connecting to the wallet. Yes, we're gonna allow access. And now I'm going to have to go through all this. So like any other wallet, you're going to have to go through your private keys and import your 24 words and blah, blah. So I'm going to do that right quick off camera. That way you guys can't see and steal all my Chia. So I'll be right back. So here we are in the Chia blockchain. Now you can throw this to night mode, which everyone does prefer most of the time. So yeah, here we are. So now we can see our wallets. This is my wallet, and then if you were to start plotting, here's where you be plot. Here's your farm after you've been plotting, where all your plots are stored, all that good stuff. We're not doing any of that stuff right now. For the most part, we are just going to check this out. So I am going to have to receive, so copy. And now we're going to have to go to that website. Let's just have a quick peek here again. Where exactly are we going here? So where are we? Okay, right here. So we're going to have to go to faucet.chia.net. and enter it in there. So we're going to need our wallet address. I'm just going to punch that in there. I'm not a robot. I don't think I'm a robot. Are we a robot? Are we in a simulation? We're all robots. So verify my wallet. Good. Submit. Accept that your request is in the queue and will be processed in the order it was received. So I guess it's not anything crazy instant, so we are going to have to wait on that. Well, we did everything we're supposed to do for setting up. Now we are still syncing to the actual blockchain here. As you can see, it's moving up. We're syncing status, so it's going to take a little while. So I guess I'm going to leave this on for a bit, but yeah, for the most part, this is how you initially are going to have to set up. According to Flexpool here, this should give us a little bit of free Chia. That way we can eventually join a pool when it does come into play. So if you plan on mining Chia in the future, or if you already are, then you probably already did this. If not, these are the first steps you are going to have to do. So I am just going to hang out and we're going to wait for our Chia. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one, and Rabid out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider watching one of these other videos, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button. We do a live stream every Sunday, and Discord link is in the description as well. Thanks everybody again, and Rabid out.